Hello and welcome to a beach day. If this is not absolute heaven. I don't know if you can tell. The military is doing a little training operation today as well. Way too far. This big thing of electrolytes. This was completely full and it was full of ice too. I tell you what, I cannot tell you how much I needed this. I was originally going to take last night off and clean today, do some shopping. But last night I was like, you know what? No. So I cleaned my butt off last night. Slept like an angel. Slept in a little bit, actually, 20 minutes past my alarm. And yeah, I was like, you know what? Today's a beach day. It's supposed to rain after this, like after today. And ironically enough, I know it's going to change, but the weather says it's going to be beautiful today and Friday, and I'm off today and Friday. So yeah, happy Monday. Was the Coast Guard doing a training exercise, not the military? Well, I guess that is the military, right? I'm so dumb. Just wanted to take a moment and show you how pathetic my puzzle book is that I bring to the beach. I don't know. It might be time to get another one. What do you think? Treasures too. Okay, so I've cooled off a little bit. Let me tell you what, honey, when I leave the beach, I'm looking busted. Okay, I'm covered in sweat, my hair is frizzy, covered in sand, but I would literally have it no other way. Also, I found this macroalgae washed up on the beach, and this does happen periodically, and I've always wanted to take some home and put some in my tank, my saltwater tank, but it's not a good idea to take anything from the ocean and put it in an aquarium for a lot of reasons. You know, if it's a fish, it's really cruel to do that unless it's a gigundous aquarium, but still not a good idea. But also you can introduce parasites, bacteria, toxins to your already established and beautiful and wonderful tank. However, macroalgae can be added, and so I am going to dip this. I'm going to do a freshwater dip. I might do a reef dip too, but at the same time, this was just sitting out on the beach and there wasn't anything attached to it. So I think a saltwater or a freshwater dip should be okay. I'm also starving, and so I'm gonna grab some food and head home and shower the beach off of me. I'm about to get me some Smithfield's chicken and barbecue. If you know, you know. I do very few like fast food places. Smithfield's and Dave's Hot Chicken are like the two places that I will go through a drive-through for. They've got this red sauce. So their sauces are like vinegar based, which is really common in the South for barbecue sauces to be vinegar based. Luckily for me, I love vinegar. But they also have this one sauce. It is literally vinegar and like some seasonings. And oh man, I tell you what, it is good. Lunch is served. All right, so here we are. Got my lunch and my audience. Bubby, you're not getting any chicken. And so yes, this is going to be the end of the video. Hold on. Yeah, anyways, I'm also in the process of filming an after beach self-care short, so be on the lookout for that. You'll actually probably see that before you see this. But I plan on getting this up as soon as possible. But yes, it was a fun day. Thank you so much. Please leave me a comment. Don't forget to like. And I will see you in the next one. In the meantime, be good to yourselves. Be good to each other. I love you, but more importantly, Jesus loves you. Bye.